Would you go up to the plate facing a hard-throwing pitcher with this type of bat? Of course not. I'm Dennis Sweeney, owner of Sweeney Enterprises LLC. Why are so many small business owners and nonprofit executives addressing their marketing, public relations, or video production needs with this type of bat? Sweeney Enterprises LLC offers the expertise needed to remain competitive in the game of marketing, public relations, and video production. With years of experience in marketing, PR, and video, Sweeney Enterprises LLC has successfully guided several for-profit and not-for-profit organizations with their digital, traditional, and social media messages. For an increase in public visibility, which can result in a home run with a positive bottom line, contact me today.